Look, I used these mini roses on this foam cover. You can use them to make earrings like this, or like this. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make these mini roses. You can use them on phone covers like this in different shades, or you can use them to make earrings like this. It is so easy to make. We can make ear pins like this. They're super cute. So let's get started. First we will make these petals. For that, make a slip knot like this. Now chain 7. Now we will skip 2 chains. In the third chain we will do 1 single crochet like this. Now in the next chain we will do 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now in the rest of these chains we will do 3 single crochet in each chain. 1, 2, 3. We will repeat 2 more times. 1, 2, 3. And last time. 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Look, mini rose is ready. Now we will roll it like this, so it will look like a little rose. Now we will make the leaf. For that we will use green yarn. Make a magic ring like this. Roll it on your finger and put the hook between the yarn like this and pull through. Now chain 1 to secure the magic ring. Now we will make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Pull the yarn to tighten off the magic ring like this. Now we will slip stitch in the first single crochet. Will be a little hard, but do it like this. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now we will make a single crochet in the second chain here. Now make a half double crochet like this in the third chain. Slip stitch in the magic circle here onto the second single crochet. Now we will repeat the whole process. Chain 3, 1 single crochet, now 1 half double crochet, and slip stitch into the magic ring. For the last time, chain 3, 1 single crochet, and 1/2 double crochet in the third chain. Now slip stitch the magic ring, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Look, our leaf is done. Yeah, now we will hide the yarn ends like this. Sew it at the back side of the leaf like this and cut the excess yarn. Now we are left with one yarn end. You can use it to sew the rose on it or just cut it, and we can paste the rose on the leaf. Now we will sew the rose. We'll hide one of the ends and use the other yarn end to hide one of the yarn end like this. Cut the excess yarn. Now we will use the other yarn end to sew the rose. First roll the rose like this and now sew it around. Go through 2 to 3 times like this and then cut the excess yarn. When you feel your rose is secured, you can cut the excess yarn, and now we will paste the rose onto the leaf. I'm using this glue. Put a little bit of glue on the leaf and then paste the rose petal onto it. Glue it together. This is the final look. Look, they are super cute and tiny. You can use them on any of your crochet projects. Thanks for watching.